NPM Dian Hermalia Andesta NPM 2241107 Management Class 22. I will explain the material about online market analysis, microenvironment. Definition of microenvironment. The microenvironment is all the external factors that directly affect a company's ability to serve customers and achieve its business objectives. The microenvironment refers to the environment formed through the relationships and interrelationships between external stakeholders and the company. Next. Microenvironmental factors. 1. Customers. Customers are at the core of every business. Companies need to understand their customer profiles, preferences and needs. By understanding customers well, companies can develop more suitable products or services and create more effective marketing strategies. 2. Suppliers. Suppliers influence companies in delivering value to customers. They provide critical inputs such as raw materials, parts, equipment, and machinery. What they provide affects operations, product quality, and price. Efficient dependence and good relationships with suppliers can have a positive impact on raw material availability and production costs. 3. Marketing intermediaries. Marketing intermediaries contribute to delivering value. They may be individuals or organizations. Marketing intermediaries contribute to forming networks for promotion, sales, and distribution, through which products are introduced and delivered to end buyers. 4. Competitors. Competitors are entities that seek to satisfy the same or similar needs of consumers. A good understanding of competitors, such as their strategies, strengths and weaknesses, can assist companies in developing marketing strategies that are more effective and responsive to market changes. 5. Public. The public has an interest in the company, both actual and potential. On the other hand, they can also influence the company to voice their interests. The public includes the following types. 1. Financial public. 2. Media public. 3. Government public. 4. Citizen action public. 5. Local public. 6. General public. Next. How the microenvironment affects companies. The microenvironment is in direct contact with the company. Therefore, its changes affect the operations and routine activities of the business directly. Some external stakeholders in the microenvironment will have a positive effect on the business opportunities. For example, customers create demand for products, with which money flows to the company. Then, suppliers provide inputs to the business. Others, such as the government, for example, can create a favorable environment for the business. Difference between micro and macro environment. The following are the main differences between micro and macro environments. 1. The microenvironment is the environment that is in direct contact with the company, while the macroenvironment is known as an environment that is not specific to a particular company but can affect the work of all business groups. 2. Microenvironmental factors affect only specific businesses, but macroenvironmental factors affect all business entities. 3. Microenvironmental factors can be controlled by businesses but only to a certain extent. However, macroeconomic variables cannot be controlled. 4. The study of the microenvironment is described as cosmic analysis. In contrast, PESEL analysis is the study of the macroenvironment. How to implement a micro-marketing environment. Applying the concept of micro-marketing environment in business strategy requires a systematic and planned approach. The following is a series of steps that can be applied in the micro-marketing environment. 1. Customer analysis. 2. Supplier relationship management. 3. Monitoring competitors. 4. Collaboration with marketing intermediaries. 5. Interaction with interest groups. 6. Managing relationships with the public. Furthermore, online market analysis of the macro environment in digital marketing. Definition. The macro environment is a set of external factors that can influence a company's operations and strategic decisions. These factors are beyond the direct control of the company, but have a major impact on the success or failure of the marketing strategy implemented. Important characteristics of the macro environment. The following are some of the key characteristics of the macro environment. 1. Uncontrollable. 2. Complex and dynamic. 3. Affects widely. 4. Multidimensional. 5. Requires ongoing analysis. 6. Impacts key decisions. 7. Source of opportunities and threats. Factors in the macro environment. 1. Political factors. Developments in the political environment can significantly expose businesses to both opportunities and threats. Changes in taxation, legislation, and government policies are examples. The political environment also includes political stability, corruption, rule of law, and strength of institutions. 2. Economic factors. Economic factors include many variables, such as economic growth, inflation, interest rates, exchange rates, unemployment rates. The economic environment also includes government policies such as fiscal policy, monetary policy, and trade policy. They all affect business operations, either directly or indirectly. Economic factors can also have an indirect impact by affecting the purchasing power and spending patterns of consumers. 3. Sociocultural factors. These include demographic factors, which relate to changes in the population and its composition, such as age, gender, race, education, religion, and ethnicity. Sociocultural factors affect businesses in several ways. First, it affects consumer shopping patterns and behavior. Second, it affects practices and culture within organizations. 4. Technology factor. Technological advancements have disrupted several conventional businesses. The technology factor includes not only its outputs such as the internet, 3D printers, fiber optic technology, and nanotechnology. But the knowledge surrounding its advancement is also important, including research and development. 5. Environmental factors. Environmental factors include natural resources, the physical environment or natural environmental conditions. This factor has become increasingly important to consider as environmental issues have grown rapidly in recent years. As a result, this factor has influenced consumer demand patterns for products and also prompted governments to launch related policies and regulations. 6. Legal factors. Legal factors are closely related to political factors. For example, political stability significantly influences changes in government laws and regulations. Unstable politics may encourage inconsistencies in laws or regulations issued by government regimes. Legal aspects affect businesses in a variety of areas, including competition, labor practices, consumer protection, product health and safety, environmental regulations, etc. Benefits of micro and macro environmental influences. The following are the benefits of micro and macro environmental influences, among others. 1. Increased understanding of customers and their needs. 2. Spotting opportunities in the market and optimizing company profits. 3. Build good relationships with suppliers and distribution channels to achieve operational efficiency. 4. Capture the latest technology trends to improve competitiveness. Conclusion. The microenvironment is the elements that are within a company's direct sphere of control and have a direct impact on its marketing strategy and business performance. Meanwhile, Macroenvironment is to understand the various external factors that influence businesses in designing effective and sustainable marketing strategies. This is the discussion on online market analysis, micro and macro environment. That's all and thank you.